Watch my 9mm go bang. Wa-da-da-dang, wa-da-da-da-dang. Watch my 9mm go bang. Wa-da-da-dang, wa-da-da-da-dang.
We're back in a little tiny shop. So while I was editing the last video, I noticed I had some cool DVR. So just a heads up, no matter what quad I build, I'm always gonna pull the the infrared filter out of it. Same thing, infrared filter is bit out of this thing, and same thing for the cheddar boat. So it instead of going and diving into the best low light camera or any of that, I just pull the infrared filter out of it. We're good. Anyways, I'm not sure if why the sunset is so pink is because I removed the IR filter, but like, this is pretty cool DVR. I mean, it's DVR, it's not the greatest, but I like it. I like the aesthetic, and it makes me think of like old school anime VHS tapes, which is what I grew up with. So I'm gonna shut the fuck up now, and I'm gonna let y'all fucking watch this flight, because I like watching this one. This is one flight that I can't get enough of. I keep watching it, and I'm like, I love the colors in this. This is so cool. So anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Here's the flight. Woohoo!
He's coming out, 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 he's coming out. It's there. It's there.
You've got to press it on you. You just think it. That's what you do,
baby. Hold it down there.
Jump with the moment, move it. Jump back and forth.
Feel like you within yourself. Work it out. You've got to press it on you. You just think it. That's what you do, baby. Hold it down there. Jump with it all.
Yeah, now we're here. So the only thing left to do is unsubscribe from my channel, downvote these videos, and don't share these with your friends. Goodbye. Woo!